kids are not going to school here in Manatee County. Parents are panicked. So kids goes off to school, father and mother get support, they'll never see their child again. This is heinous. This is unchristian-like because these aren't, nobody has a problem with getting rid of criminals. But these aren't criminals. And it's not even a crime oftentimes. They overstay the visa. It's not a crime. And we dehumanize. If you're a bad guy, get the hell out of here. I don't want you there. I don't want open borders. But how about this? If you want to stop immigration, because these people are coming to work, arrest the business owners that hire them. Not give criminal sanction against the business. Put their asses in jail because you will stop people coming because they're coming here to work. We're all interconnected. The solution is just not a simple thing. But what it is actually, immigration reform. Go after the employers. Put their greedy asses in jail, in prison. Please do that. The big corporate leaders. And then you'll see they're not hiring people and people will go home. Our first soldier that died in Iraq was a guy named Jose Gutierrez. He was a soldier from Guatemala. He came from Guatemala undocumented. He was the first U.S. soldier to die in Iraq. So they die for us. They pick our fruits. They're Pulitzer Prize winners. They're doctors. They're lawyers. They work around us. They're around us. And now you're going to deport them? I always wondered what I would do if I were a German in Nazi Germany with 3 kids. My life was great, and down the road, Dachau, and they were doing that to those. What would I do? This is getting very close. It's not a joke. How they're terrorizing people. It's the most unchristian, unfaith kind of thing you can do. I mean, it's to that point, and it scares me what's going to happen next if we don't stop this oppression from this Trump administration. But it's not time to panic. It's time to work. There's a word I love in Spanish called oración. Orar con acción. Prayer with action. All right? Prayer with action. Pray for the strength for you to stand up and do what you need to. Don't ask God for the change. You be the change. Get involved. Be part of the change. Don't be afraid. Especially people of faith. Why are they scared to stand up against wrong? And even if they deport you or whoever gets in, who cares? At least you can stand proud that you've done something against rooted evil and wrong. We're number 1 in the world in our economy because of the immigrants. That's a fact, and there's stats that show that. Well, get rid of them, guess what's going to happen? We're just at the beginning of a free fall. And I'm sorry I get so emotional about it, but I'm not a perfect guy, but, this is immoral, insane. It is the definition of disgusting. It's not a crime to be here without papers. It's just not. Or else you'd have what? An attorney appointed to you. Or else you'd be in front of a real court, not an administrative court. But nobody mentions that. So most of our ignorant population think that they're criminals. You overstay your visa, you're not. It's a civil issue.